Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Videshwala. So as you know, I have already made a detailed video regarding study in Ireland. You can check that if you're planning to study in Ireland. But in today's video, we're going to talk about high demand jobs and which provide high salaries too. So let's get into that. So we're going to talk about some of the fields and the job profiles related to that. The first field I'm going to tell you is management professionals, and the job profiles related to that are business analyst, product owner, innovation consultant, scrum manager and product manager. So if we talk about the average salaries in these job profiles, it's around 40,000 euros to 100,000 euros according to your work experience. I'm talking about yearly. And if we talk about in rupees, it's around 36 lakhs to 90 lakhs, which is a hefty amount. And the top cities in which you can work in this field, they are Dublin, Galway and Cork. So the next field we have is accountancy and finance professional, and the related jobs in this fields are internal audit manager and financial analyst. Also, MSc in finance as well as in accounting is very high in demand jobs right now, and you can learn that from any known university in Ireland. Now, if we talk about the average salaries in this field, it's around 70,000 euros to 85,000 euros annually, and in rupees, it's around 63 lakhs to 76 lakhs annually, which is a very great amount. Also, I will personally suggest, if you're planning to pursue this field and jobs related to that, you should live somewhere in Dublin, because Dublin, being the capital of the country, have great opportunities and exposure. So the next field is IT professionals, and job profiles regarding that are full stack engineer, data architect, data engineer, cloud engineer, data visualization specialist. Now if we talk about the salary in this field, it's around 70,000 euros to 110,000 euros. In rupees, it's around 63 lakhs to 99 lakhs per year, which is also very great amount, and it also depends on your work experience, and especially ऐसा amount आपको masters complete करने के बाद मिलता है, not after bachelors. Moving on, the next field we have is supply chain management professionals, and job profiles related to that are supply chain analyst, operations manager, procurement manager, senior buyer and category manager. Now if we talk about average salaries, it's around 55,000 euros to 90,000 euros per annum, and in rupees it's around 50 to 90 lakhs per annum. The last field I'm going to talk about is healthcare professionals, and the job profiles regarding that are general practitioners, clinical psychologists and regulatory affair managers and much more. Moving on, let's talk about the salaries in this field. So average salary is around 55,000 euros to 120,000 euros, which is a very hefty amount, because healthcare field mein jobs are very high paying, and if we talk about it in rupees, it's around 55 lakhs to 1.1 crore, and it all depends on the kind of experience you have. Also, one more point, I will recommend you to find healthcare jobs in Galway, because it has a lot of healthcare multinational companies. So yeah guys, that was all the information regarding the most high paying job profiles in Ireland. Hope you got your answers regarding all of this. So yeah, if you have any query, you can comment us down below, and also you can call us on this number below for a free counseling session. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel. You can see the username somewhere here. So yeah, thank you for watching.